How to fix Windows 11 desktop keeps refreshing. 1. Check the list of apps running in the background. Terminate, via Task Manager, or disable some unused software from running. 2. Run DISM and SFC commands. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthism/online/cleanupimage/restore health 3. Switch to the high performance power plant. 4. Disable the Windows Error Reporting Service. 5. Update the display drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Run a full system malware scan using the recommended Avast internet security in this video guide. 7. Perform a clean boot on your Windows PC to locate the troublemaker.